Today, we've got an amazing tutorial lined up just for you. We're going to show you how to create an SSH, SSL/TLS server and set it up on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. This method provides you with faster speeds and a more secure web connection. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. 1. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. 2. Click on the official UDP Custom website from the search results. 3. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the menu button, typically found in the top corner of the site. 4. From the drop-down menu, select SSH. 5. You'll now be taken to the account creation page. 6. Enter a username, password, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click Create Now. 7. Wait for around 10 seconds and your server details will appear. 8. Click the Copy Server Info button and paste the information somewhere safe on your device for later use. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. 2. In the search bar, type SocksIP Tunnel. 3. Tap the correct app in the search results, then hit Install. 4. Once it finishes downloading, click Open to launch the app. 1. On the app's home screen, tap the settings icon, usually a gear logo. 2. Under the Tunnel Mode dropdown, select Custom SSH. 3. Then tap Configure SSH. A small window will pop up. In the payload field, enter any invalid payload string, just a placeholder. In the server IP port section, paste the IP you copied earlier and type 80 or 443 as the port. For username and password, paste the credentials from the UDP Custom website. In the final line, combine the server IP, port, username, and password in this format: IP port at username, password. Once you've filled in all the details correctly, click Save SSH Configuration. Now go back to the app's home screen and press the Start button. Boom! You're now connected to a fast and secure SSH/SSL web connection.